Alrighty, hey there buddy, how you doing? Now, I've been thinking a little bit more about this supply problem you've been having, and I think I figured out something that can help point us in the right direction now. You're gonna go over here to where all the different map mode buttons are, and click the one for supplies. It's F4 on the keyboard. Now, as you can see up here, I have some units that are out of supply. They need 74, but I only have 63. You can see the ports and infrastructure here. Now when I hold the mouse over it and look all the way down at the bottom, it's saying previous bottleneck ports in Valencia 39. I'm like, well, there's 53 here, why does that matter? Well, this is not Valencia. This is Valencia down here, which is really weird because I'm thinking there's ports up here, right? 6. So why would he go here other than, the bigger number? I was reading up on the wiki, and it says there, one, we can't control how supplies move. We can't do that. First off, all supplies pretty much start in the capital, and then they favor land-based routes, and can cover spaces up to 15 of these states away from the capital, a path that goes through 15 of them. So if you have any units more than 15 states away from your country's capital, there's a chance they're going to be low in supplies, or they're going to take some kind of negative modifier to supply throughput. Now, here, with that explained, I'm looking here at Valencia and I'm like, well, why don't we go here yet? Well, it's because these ports are actually bigger. It's the closest big port that can actually supply it. France has like freaking nothing. The Iberian, there's only one here. I'm not friends with Portugal, so the biggest port in the region that's 15 spaces away from the land mode is Valencia. And Valencia itself is only able to put through so much through the naval base, even though we can do a lot more by land. So what that's doing is it's creating a bottleneck at this port here. So even though that many supplies, can easily fit through this path right here, it's still being limited by the port that's here. And so, I don't know, my suggestion to you is find the units that are out of supply, and go into the supply map mode, and then put your cursor over the fuel icon for that region, and look down at the bottom at what it tells you. Here it's telling me Valencia, and over here where I have more units, it's making it very clear local bases are not big enough to support these many units, yada yada. So go ahead, give that a try, and tell me how it works. Alright, catch you later.